Well, Shane Stallions here. Welcome to Shane Stallions TV, of course. A lot of my videos is kind of quiet because I realize that sometimes it's not always good to keep talking and talking. Just let the video do its job, you know what I mean? So shout out to everyone. I'm just getting started. I'm trying. So just really putting in some work. It's kind of cold right now in New York City, of course. So everybody just bless up. Yeah, it's kind of cold in New York City. So right now, it's late at night, so everything is all parked out. And we're just chilling.